making it too hardcore. So this is what I have to say about the Deadly Zins. It is an old vine made in 2008. I would have to say that it's a bit bitter.
A lot bitter.
A lot bitter. But Jonathan, oh great Sean, the greatest gay in the world, knew how to mix this. He said, grab the Sprite, grab the raunchy Sprite in the corner of the room. And so this is raunchy Sprite. That's seriously like 5 months old. Not refrigerated. But it's staying in our drink. Pretty bitchy now. That's what I have to say about our sin. Yeah, that's all I have. So Lynn, what are we gonna do with this lovely cart?
Okay. So we're gonna drink a little bit, and then I'm gonna climb into the cart, and Malia's gonna push me outside. And we're gonna try and push this cart all the way to the end of that one street that has the California State University Monterey Bay sign.
Nice.
We're just gonna leave it there for someone to find it.
And we're gonna take pictures and videos and document the whole damn thing.
Yep, that's what we're gonna do.
Oh yes.
Because we stole this cart and now we don't know what to do with it, so...
We stole the wine too. Not gonna lie.
5-finger deal.
She turns 21 in a couple days. We had to do it. Oh God.
Should open the door. Yeah.
Can the tires?
We got it through somehow.
Oh God.
How did we get it in your room, or in here from your room? Or how did you do that? You did that by yourself because I didn't help you.
How did I do this? Okay. Round 2. We're taking it out my door.
Yeah, take it to your room and then, because we have this awkward corner.
Oh my God.
So we finally made it out.
Made it out the door. That's what.
Oh shit!
Are they stopping?
Oh. Okay, Malia, do you want to explain?
Okay, so we were running down the street.
You should have the flashlight on your face.
Oh, because this is a horror story. Just a second. Okay, so we were going down the street, right? And this cop, he comes up behind us, and I panicked and I ran into the bushes and I let the cart go. Well, the cart went flying into the road, and so did our flashlight. But the cop kept going, so I went and got the cart and the flashlight, and now we're hiding in the bushes in case the cop comes for us.
Yep, so we're in the middle of nowhere.
Anything you want to add to that, Lynn? No.
Are you a little scared, Lynn?
A little bit. I fell in a hole running
It was a muddy mess. It was a muddy mess.
Okay, well, I don't think the cop's coming, so I think we can...
I don't think the cop's coming either, so I think we're in the clear. And we can just run into the bush if need be.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, baby. Here we go.
California State University, Monterey Bay. Here we are. Now we gotta figure this out. We gotta figure this out.
We have a cart.
Okay, so we're gonna go behind the sign to see if we can prop our cart up on top of it. Hey, but the cart's up there with the sign! Yep, Target cart.
Our handiwork. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh yes. So wonderful.
Okay.